Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes very easy recipe step by step. Whisk 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 TSB baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup milk, and 1 egg until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan over medium, pour 1/4 cup batter per pancake, flip when bubbles appear, and serve warm with syrup. This method makes light, fluffy pancakes in about 10 minutes and works every time. Layer wet and dry steps for predictable texture. Combine dry ingredients first, then whisk wet ingredients separately, and fold gently to avoid overmixing. Rest the batter 5 to 10 minutes to hydrate the flour and allow bubbles to form. Test one pancake to set temperature and adjust heat to keep pancakes golden brown without burning. Serve with butter and maple syrup or fruit for variety. Heat pan over medium heat and lightly grease with butter or oil. Pour batter in 1/4 cup portions and cook until edges set and bubbles form on top, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook another 1 to 2 minutes until golden. Keep cooked pancakes warm in a low oven while finishing the batch. Serve stacked with butter, syrup, or fresh fruit for a crowd-pleasing breakfast. Enjoy with coffee or tea.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.